Did you know there is an African king in your Bible and you were never told who he was? His name is Taharka. He shows up in Isaiah 37 and 2 Kings 19. The Assyrian army is closing in on Jerusalem. King Hezekiah is desperate, and then Taharka marches his forces north to confront them. That is not a footnote. That is a turning point in the story. Here is what your Sunday school lesson left out. Taharka was the pharaoh of the 25th dynasty, a Kushite king from what is now Sudan. He ruled an empire stretching from deep Central Africa all the way to the Levant. He built more pyramids than any Egyptian pharaoh in history. He was one of the most powerful men alive in the 7th century before the Common Era. The text names him. The history confirms him. But somewhere between the Bible and the classroom, he disappeared. So ask yourself this: if they skipped over him, what else did they skip?